So let's take a look at the interior now. For the most part, the interior on this car is in very good condition. The door panel's in good shape. And the seats for the age. Again, sorry, I wish I had a place that I didn't have any shadows with the sun coming through, but you know, some light bolster wear as you would expect. Some light wear on the steering wheel. The top dash pad is in really good condition. Take a look here. The normal marks on the where the key, ignition key would go. All the gauge dials are in good condition. Take a look at the back seat. The leather all is good back here. Take a look at the headliner of the roof. It's all good. All right, come over here to the passenger side. I forgot to get the door frame and jam over on that side, so I'll get that here in a second. You can see it's all in good condition. Passenger seats in great condition. Again, the upper dash pad's all really nice. The radio, this is an original radio. The cassette door is missing, but other than that, I do not see anything that I can negatively say. The knob is missing here for the seat. It's probably in here somewhere. I will have to look. And in normal fashion with these, the outer layer of the weather stripping is faded. I don't know, and I know this is supposed to be a dull black. What you're seeing here at the reflection, it looks worse in the video than it is, because if I go to this side, you can see it looks fine. I'm gonna go step over to the other side to get the door jamb. See the VIN sticker still intact. Catalyst sticker still intact. Looks like they dyed or recolored the weather stripping on this side. It's got a little bit of it where it's fraying in there. But again, for the age and the miles of the car, it's really a nice driver type car. Take a look here in the engine bay. See, all the stickers are still intact. The lift struts are a little weak, but it's staying up right now. You can see the sticker on the deck cover is intact as well. Just gonna get in here and get some close-ups for you. If I remember correctly, there was insulation, heat, for the heat that's been all removed. That's what all that is. But other than that, everything else looks really good. The air conditioning was blowing cold when I pulled it out. All right, let's take a look underneath the engine bonnet. The original sticker's still intact. See, everything under here looks good. There's one spot to point out, and I can tell you exactly what was going on here. You got this area here, which when it's closed is on top of the brake fluid reservoir, and it looked like the brake fluid had leaked at some point. And as we all know, brake fluid melts paint. So we can touch that up. Other than that, I don't really see anything under here. You can see the hinges all look good. Come over here to this side. I do need to replace the lift struts, so I've got the crowbar holding it up at the moment. But as you can see, everything looks good there. All right, I pulled all the liners out of the front bonnet. See the spare tire is here. The jack is under here as well. I do have the tool set. I've got it kind of laid out right here. Kind of get you some close up in here. I mean, everything looks to be original. Got the, if you can read the VIN plate there. All the factory markings are still intact in red. Take a look underneath where the blower motor is, steering linkage for the front of the steering wheel. Other than maybe a little bit of detailing under here, it looks really good.